Think you need millions of followers to make money on TikTok? What if I told you that even with 0 followers, you can start making money today? In this video, I'll break down 7 powerful ways to start making money on TikTok in 2025, some of which don't even require posting videos. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you my favorite TikTok side hustle that's making people passive income every single day. All right, before we dive into it, here's what you need to know. TikTok, it has over 1 billion users, and that's a lot of opportunity. You don't need 1 million followers. Micro creators are making a full-time salary. And the TikTok algorithm is designed for virality. You can blow up even with a brand new account. So what are the 7 ways to make money on TikTok in 2025? Number 1, TikTok affiliate marketing. No followers needed. So what is it? You promote products and earn commission for every single sale. You can use TikTok Shop or Amazon Influencer Program to find products. So how do you do it? Create TikTok slideshow videos using Canva and feature trending products. Make review-style videos. People love seeing product demos. And use TikTok Shop affiliate program to link products directly in your bio. People are making $100 to $500 per day just showing products they bought from Amazon. And if you want a full breakdown of how to use affiliate marketing, check out my video. Okay, so the second way to make money on TikTok is brand deals and sponsored content. So what is it? Companies pay TikTokers $100 to $10,000 per post to promote their brand. Even with under 10K followers, you can start landing brand deals. You can use TikTok Creator Marketplace, join brands and Upfluence, or you can use cold pitching. You should focus on high-earning niches, finance, tech, fitness, and beauty. The third way to earn money on TikTok is to sell digital products. This is pure passive income. Create and sell ebooks, Notion templates, printables, or Canva templates. So how do you do it? Post short videos teasing your product. The Notion planner made me more productive. And then you sell through StanStore, Shopify, or Gumroad. TikTok loves digital products. If you want a step-by-step tutorial, check out my digital products guide. The fourth way to earn money on TikTok, live streaming and TikTok gifts. We've all seen the live shopping, but viewers send coins and virtual gifts during TikTok lives, which is great, and it converts to cash. So how do you do it? Go live, consistently engaging in categories, gaming, tutorials, finance, ASMR, and use interactive content, polls, Q&A, live selling. If you don't believe me about live selling, Gary Vee is talking up big time. And according to a 2023 report, Influencer Marketing Hub, TikTok nano influencers, which is 1,000 to 10,000 followers, typically earn $5 to $25 per video, while micro influencers, 10,000 to 50,000 followers, can earn $25 to $125 per video. The fifth way to make money on TikTok, UGC, which stands for user-generated content, and this is also no posting required. Brands pay you to make TikToks for their ads without you even posting them on your own account. You can even use Fiverr, Upwork to sell your UGC videos. So how do you do it? Sign up for Billow, Trend, or TikTok Marketplace. Brands will send you products and you make short videos and get paid. If you want to create a proposal or a contract, you can go into writeblogger.com, plug in the information, and it will generate a contract for you. UGC creators can make $50 to $2,500 per piece of content, i.e. one video. So if you do 4 videos at $2,500, you can make $10,000 per month. The sixth way you can make money off TikTok is use YouTube and TikTok funnel strategy. So what is it? Use TikTok to drive traffic to a YouTube channel, which makes money through ads. So how do you do it? Post TikTok teasers for YouTube videos and monetize YouTube with ads and affiliate links. So the 7th way to make money on TikTok is to sell TikTok growth services, offer coaching, video editing, content strategy, or TikTok growth account services. So how do you do it? You promote your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Twitter, charge $100 to $1,000 per client for TikTok consulting or video creation. And my favorite TikTok side hustle, and a little extra, number 8, for passive income, selling Canva templates and printables. And why? It's low effort, high reward. And how do you do it? You create resumes, planners, wedding templates, business cards, and put a link inside your TikTok bio. You can link Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or a StanStore. And if you want a full tutorial, check out the step-by-step how to create printables. All right, we just went through 7 insane ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, the links to every tool that I mentioned is in the description down below. And if you want more ways to make money online, watch this next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more money-making strategies.